What's up YouTube? So today we'll be unboxing the BTS 2018 summer package. It's a really big box. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the design for the summer package is literally like a mini luggage. It's really cute. It comes in white and black. I ordered with my friend, so I wanted the white one, so she has the black one, and yeah. So it's by random purchase, I think. I think you can choose on eBay and stuff, but I think elsewhere it's just random. Okay, so the photo book is literally in plastic and it makes me not want to open it, but I want to look through it with you guys, so I will open it, but let's go through all the little knickknacks that's inside the luggage. So it's legit like a real luggage. It even has like the fabric that's inside a luggage if you've ever owned a luggage, I guess. But yeah, let's go through this compartment and see what's on the side. So first off is this little lanyard that says Beyond the Scenes. I'm not going to open it because you know me, I don't ever really use any of this stuff. I like to keep everything for the collection purpose. This is the DVD for the summer package. This is the, what is it, a stick thing? Lanyard decoration, I don't know. Not lanyard decoration, like a stick decoration thing. Not opening that either. Oh, for the guidebook, I got Jungkook. I already knew who I got because me and my friend like ordered together, so we always give each other our favorites. So yeah, Jungkook's my second favorite. As you guys know, Jin's my number one. And here are pictures. Okay, so this is all the stuff that was in the side pocket compartment. So let's go through the photo book. Ugh, I don't want to get a scissor, so I'm trying to open it with my hands. Alright, this is a really thick photo book, so let's get into it. Okay, as you guys saw, I was trying not to bend the spine so much because, you know, I keep all this for collection. So I hope you guys saw enough of it. Most of these pictures are scanned online already, probably. But yeah, thanks for watching me unbox the summer package. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.